I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Compass and choosing Backtrack. This tells your watch to record a path for later retrace. You must enable location services and compass calibration on the paired iPhone so accuracy improves. Once done, keep the watch charged above 20% and stay outdoors where the sensors and GPS get a clear signal. Start the recording immediately. The watch logs points periodically, so you don't need constant attention. This first step gets the data the app will use to guide you back. You continue by walking your route while the watch records waypoints. Keep your wrist free and avoid covering the sensors because orientation affects heading accuracy. If you stop for more than a few minutes, pause and then resume Backtrack so the path remains relevant. Make sure the watch has a strong GPS or cellular signal and try to avoid dense metal or concrete canyons that distort the compass. If you notice drift, slow your pace and let the watch recalibrate by walking a short, straight segment. You finish by opening Backtrack to view the recorded breadcrumb trail and selecting the nearest waypoint to guide your return. The map shows distance and heading so you can follow it precisely. Tap a waypoint to get step-by-step direction and follow the blue route back to your start point. If the path is incomplete, make sure location services are enabled, restart the watch, and re-record the route. This fixes common GPS sync issues. One tip: recalibrate by walking a short straight line if headings feel inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.